Whoopee!
Works every time.
Faux show.
52 pickup. Am I over too far?
Just shift to, yeah. Oh, no. One more that way. And then that. Oh, no. We go back.
Booby. Lee, why? It's good for you.
Throat doesn't really hurt.
You are angelic. Thank you. I want you to put some oomph into it, Lee.
Oh, can you do that?
Don't have any buttermilk? And this isn't working.
1, 2, 3, action. No, not good.
Just drop some shake on the floor.
What shake?
With stuff that falls off of it.
Oh dear. There's a hair. There's a hair. Lily don't like that. Lily likes this dangly stuff. Not good. Chins. Just commenting on my chins. What's the hands? Okay, some flour I'm gonna drop. Very parmy, smell my fingers.
Yeah, thank you.
So Lisa cheese. Let's get to it.
Ice some cheese and throw it on the
Board. Oh, here goes. You see, she was really calm. Can you not do that? Oh! What do you get when you eat marijuana? A pot belly. Do you want to go home now? Not good?
No.
What do you get when you cross a pickle and a deer? A dill dough. The dill is the pickle and the dough is the deer. Now, I didn't think I was going to be able to bring it today, but there you go. Have we ever been at a loss for words? I have. Jokes and jokes. That's what we're all about. I'm done. You are adorable.
Beautiful.
Look at all the hair all over my shirt.
That's what you see.
That's my takeaway. Oh my God, look at the